Hi guys, good morning. This is Veni and Bagan. Welcome to my channel. So today's channel will be different. Today's video will be different because I will speak in English with him because he don't understand what I'm saying when I talk in Indonesian. So we'll see. And now we're gonna go to the city hall because we're planning to go for buying some cameras up there. And the reason why we wear a mask because of the virus. I hope. We'll see. I hope everything goes fine. Alright. Let's move. So right now we're planning to go to Peninsula to go to the camera store, and while we go there we're gonna use our camera to take like street photo. Vinny right now he's using Fuji XPro 2, yep, with 23 1.4, and me myself I have Sony A7III with 17 to 28 2.8.
So we will see, will Bagan inspire me enough,
Yeah,
to do the street photography, what I need to come back to. Because
and yes,
I'm not doing photography for years.
yeah. And today gonna show you how to do street photography with wide angle lens. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, I think we need to go to there.
Okay?
We're gonna go there and then turn right. But I think we can just pass one. I think it's the same like in...
It's a good idea to cross the street in Singapore where you're not supposed to cross.
I just saw people passing by. I think they're local.
Just don't get hit by bomb. Alright, let's try.
Let's move. Let's walk. I think I'm gonna go to Katai first. Hey Vinny, you wanna go to the like a proper camera shop first or the doji one?
This is a doji. And
This one is the proper one.
This is proper one.
Katai is the proper one.
What is a doji?
It's up there. But I'm not sure where they are. I think it's inside here. I forgot where to go in. Here. Here, inside here, I think.
Erin is doing back home. She's instructor for rock climbing.
Yeah, it is cool.
Main mistake what many people are doing is starting to eat steak straight away after it's cooked. You need to wait, and it's preferably to keep it on cells, something what will make it colder equally on both sides.
Why is that?
For the taste.
So we decide to eat because
It's very good.
when he saw this kind of food, he said looks so good. That's why we tried. Oh, I thought I ordered. It's iced green tea. I asked for iced lemon tea. What the heck, man? Something wrong with these people. I ordered something and then they gave me something. Ay. Right now we eat on Bizen. The mac and cheese is really good. Not that bad. The French fries a little bit dry. Weird. But it's really good. Now let's try the steak. I ordered medium well. They gave me medium rare. Not bad. I forgot the name of the mall. But if you're planning to go to Singapore, you should try to go to Bizen Steak. Bizen in Funan.
And they will bring you the wrong tea.
They're gonna bring you the wrong tea, the wrong order. Because I ordered medium well, they gave me medium rare.
But even though it is great, damn it is
Yeah.
such a good meat.
Really good meat. Because it's Wagyu. And it cost me like 30 bucks. Which is not bad.
Oh my god, man, it's fantastic.
So we were planning to do street photo, but instead of street photo, we're spending a lot of money. So we'll see how this vlog will end. Because I forgot to record anything. Just record this eating something.
Just look what we got. This beautiful leather case. Feels so nice. And a little orange button. They didn't have the grip to the thumb that I was looking for. And I lost this little cup, so I need to put something in. But this brown leather, it feels so nice. And it makes it look very cool and stylish. And that was only $5. So now we look like brothers.
The same thing. $5. What else you can bargain for $5? I'll say. I'm going to eat. Enjoy the time lapse. Marina Bay Sands. And Vinny was so excited. I'm so excited. Can't you see? Look at his face. He's so excited. Yay. Alright, let's go around and do some time lapse. Let's go. That is it, guys. I'm tired. Although there's no much footage, we're only hanging around without making videos. And I think Benny wants to take a picture here with that background there. So right now we're planning to go back, and he's looking for his mask. I don't know where,
Because it's gonna be a historical photo with the mask on the face.
so he's gonna get his mask and then he put it on his face, of course, because it's mask. That's why it's on the face. If it's a hat, it's gonna be on the head.
Oh, here we go.
All right, he found it. So we're
Now I
gonna
look
take a
trendy.
pictures of him with his trendy mask. All right, let's do a test shot first. Wait, let me turn on the sound. Now, ready? Stay there. Wait for the people passing by. Nice. Look at it. Look at that shot. Wow.
Beautiful. That's what
All right, guys. I'll see you again next video.
Today is
Because I'm
over.
planning to go back to the place where we start. And sayonara. Arrivederci.
Selamat malam.
Bye-bye.